Want your phone to stay quiet while you are working? Let's make work mode automatically turn on Do Not Disturb for you. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen, tap Mode and Routine. While you are in the Mode section, tap Work, tap Stay Focused. Next, tap Do Not Disturb. Now, let's customize it a bit. Tap Calls and Messages. Here, you can allow calls or messages from favorite, contacts only, or no one. As the example, we will set both to favorite contacts only. Tap the back key. For the app notification, let's select Gmail. Then tap Done. Tap the back key. Tap Done button to save the Do Not Disturb setting. Then tap Done button again to save the work mode setting. It is set up. Now, whenever work mode is activated, either manually or automatically, your phone will instantly switch to Do Not Disturb with your preferred setting. In this case, only notify you when you got calls or messages from your favorite contacts only, and when you receive notification from Gmail. And that's it. Now you can focus on your work without constant pings and still let important notification through if you want. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.